Today's medical-centric topic is 5 benefits of flossing your teeth. Flossing is an important aspect of oral hygiene that is often overlooked. While brushing your teeth twice a day is recommended by dentists, flossing is equally important in preventing tooth decay and gum disease. Here are 5 benefits of flossing your teeth. 1. Prevents cavities. Brushing your teeth only cleans the surfaces that are easy to reach. However, flossing helps clean the tight spaces between your teeth where food particles and bacteria can accumulate, leading to the formation of cavities. Flossing also helps remove plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that forms on teeth and can lead to decay. 2. Promotes healthy gums. Gum disease is caused by the buildup of plaque and bacteria that can cause inflammation and infection in the gums. Flossing helps remove plaque and bacteria from the gum line, which can help prevent gum disease. Regular flossing can also improve the health of your gums by stimulating blood flow and promoting healing. 3. Freshens breath. Bad breath is often caused by the buildup of bacteria in the mouth. Flossing helps remove food particles and bacteria from between the teeth, reducing the risk of bad breath. It is important to note that bad breath can also be a sign of gum disease. So if you have persistent bad breath, it's best to see a dentist. 4. Saves money. Preventative dental care, such as flossing, can save you money in the long run by reducing the risk of expensive dental procedures. Flossing regularly can prevent the need for fillings, root canals, and other costly dental treatments. 5. Improves overall health. Poor oral hygiene has been linked to several health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. Flossing can help prevent these conditions by removing bacteria and plaque from the mouth. Good oral hygiene also contributes to overall health by improving digestion and reducing the risk of infections. In conclusion, flossing is a crucial part of maintaining good oral hygiene. It not only helps prevent cavities and gum disease, but also freshens breath, saves money, and improves overall health. Make sure to floss at least once a day, and if you have any questions about proper flossing technique, ask your dentist or dental hygienist for guidance.